So right now everyone is preparing to shut down the shops and all, because it's time for night curfew. Well, the night curfew is gonna start like within 10-20 minutes. That's what I'm thinking. So basically I'm just going to do some small errands, and given the situation or given the regulations government had, or the Maharashtra government has for night curfew, is somewhere around after 8 o'clock, I guess, after 8 o'clock to 7. Now in Pune they have set the timeline of 6 o'clock to 6 o'clock, but where in Mumbai they have set the timeline from 8 to morning 7 o'clock. Now I don't know why they have kept 8 o'clock. Maybe one of the reasons behind that would be that people who are still going to offices, they would have time to get back to home or something, or the office time. Maybe they are saying that the office time would be till 8, so people can go home after that and not accumulate anywhere else. And same goes to the people who owns businesses like shops, retail shops and everything. For them the time limit is still 8 o'clock, and they cannot keep it open before that time. So given the time, it's 7:30. If the lockdown starts at 8, so still given that situation, the people and the normal crowd is still out there going back to home, and or basically trying to complete their work before the timeline. Well, I'm quite confused, honestly. I'm not against this, but I'm a little confused given the situation. I know the numbers are rising and people are not aware of wearing masks, and people are not taking proper precautions and whatnot, but यहाँ पे ये हो रहा है, वहाँ पे वो हो रहा है, और इंडिया का कोरोना काउंट बढ़ रहा है. And in some states people are not even wearing masks, let alone, let's say, thinking about it. Maybe this is just psychological, restriction, psychological danger. They are trying to psychologically, they're making us serious that this is very important and we should take it seriously. So yeah, people are not taking it seriously, and that's the reason government has to took such kind of steps, which is, somewhere I feel that it's true. But then again, some things are not implemented properly. I thought that I would not get any traffic at this place, but still I'm getting hell lot of traffic, even considering the night curfew part. Still, and I'm still confused that why to impose weekend lockdown, as in proper lockdown. Why to impose weekend lockdown on a scenario that, I don't know, maybe just because people come together, gather around. So the way they did in Holi, they should have implemented the same thing, right? I mean, people, why impose lockdown? They should have we should do the same things to control the crowd. That's my observation. Like people जैसे अक्सा वीकेंड्स पे यूजुअली लोग अक्सा पे या अलग अलग जगहों पे असेंबल होते हैं, बहुत बड़े बड़े गार्डन्स पे असेंबल होते हैं एंड ऑल. So you should not allow people to go there. Simple as that. Why was the totally lockdown system? I still am confused. Whatever. It's too damn annoying actually, but कुछ नहीं कर सकते यार. Corona is not everyone's fault, but unfortunately everyone has to pay for it. होना है. नहीं मतलब मैं चूतिया खड़ा हूँ यहाँ पे. यहाँ पे मुझे एग्जॉस्ट काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है. ये बेसिकली एक छोटा सा रोड है जहाँ से बाइक्स जा सकती है. रोड कम ऑन. What the time is? 7:51, and you can see that the situation of roads is still people are going here and there. So I know this is a very different video which I make usually. This is something just was an observation, and maybe मैं शायद आगे जाके और थोड़े ऐसे ऑब्जर्वेशनल वीडियो बनाऊँ given the situation, current situation where corona is thriving. So let's see. So if you like the video, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and आपको कोई भी questions हो regarding the bikes, please comment down so that मैं आपको आंसर दे सकूँ. So thank you so much. Bye bye.